Welcome to our comparison of two innovative dishwashers, the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher and the HAVA 2025 countertop dishwasher. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and suitability for different kitchen needs. Whether you're looking for a permanent solution or a portable option, we've got you covered. The BLACK+DECKER BDW200MW offers a generous capacity of 12 place settings, making it ideal for families or those who entertain frequently. In contrast, the HAVA 2025 is designed for smaller households, providing a compact solution that fits well in limited spaces. While the built-in model excels in handling larger loads, the countertop unit is perfect for those who need flexibility and portability. The BLACK+DECKER dishwasher requires permanent plumbing, making it a more involved installation process. On the other hand, the HAVA 2025 is designed for convenience, featuring a built-in water tank that eliminates the need for installation, allowing you to set it up anywhere with ease. This makes the HAVA a great choice for renters or those with limited kitchen modifications. Both dishwashers are designed with energy efficiency in mind. The BLACK+DECKER model is Energy Y S-Star certified, ensuring lower energy and water consumption. Meanwhile, the HAVA 2025 boasts enhanced energy efficiency, making it a cost-effective option for those who want to save on utility bills. Both models aim to deliver excellent performance while being mindful of energy use. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER BDW200MW and the HAVA 2025 depends on your specific needs. If you require a high-capacity, built-in solution, the BLACK+DECKER is the way to go. However, if you prefer a portable, user-friendly option, the HAVA 2025 is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.